Let's review how to use the Patio Base Quantity accordion on the Self page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Gardener page, and click on the Patio Base Quantity accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can enter your project's width, length, and depth, select the proper measurement units, and click the equals icon. Instantly, you'll see the exact amount of gravel and sand required for your patio base. Use clear icon to reset or share icon to send results to your team. For law firms or professionals overseeing office renovations, outdoor improvements, or property maintenance, this resource ensures no overbuying, no shortages, and no wasted time. It is particularly useful when coordinating with contractors or vendors, keeping your cost projections transparent and consistent. This accordion ensures your firm or outdoor landscaping projects stay on time, on budget, and perfectly calculated. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Patio Base Quantity accordion.